this year might be one of the best AI-related airdrops in 2025. I'm talking about hubxyz, and in this video here, I'm gonna tell you how to participate in this. It's completely free. It's super easy to do. I already did an extensive video on this, but a few things have changed, and this year should be a short version of this with the newest developments and how to actually get ready to receive this airdrop. It has been going on for a while, but I think you're not too late. It's still early enough to be eligible for the airdrop and climb the different levels, and I'm gonna show you exactly how in this video. What is hubxyz? I'm on their official X account. As always, all the links are down in the description. While down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel to not miss any of those airdrop related videos. Hub.xyz is, as they call it themselves, the smartest airdrop of 2025. And this here is wrong because it says train hubxyz agent on X, but it's not on X anymore. It moved to Discord. Actually, they had some problems with their account being deactivated. It's back now, but it took a week or two until they actually got it back. And in the meantime, they switched it to Discord and they stayed there because this way they don't have to pay for the X API, which is clever in my opinion. This is the website ai.hub.xyz. You just connect your X account and your Discord account. You can find both of them here once you're logged in. If you're signing up, feel free to use my ref link to support me and my channel. The link can be found down there as well. Would mean the world to me if you do this. And now, what you basically do is you answer questions from the AI to train the agent. You do this on Discord. As I said, I'm going to show you exactly how in a minute. And then you get IQ points for this, and then you climb the ranks. And what you also do is, if you go to rewards on the left here, then you see that depending on the IQ points that you have, you rise in the different levels. And as you can see here, I topped out on level 10. This is the maximum level that you can get right now, but probably there will be more because they said this is only Act 1 here, the Awakening, so there will probably be more levels, so it makes sense to continue training the AI. And as I said, it's super simple. Remember, once you reach a certain level, through the IQ points, make sure to claim the rewards by just clicking on them. I claimed all of them, so I can't show you this, but I showed this in the last video. Just click on here, then you claim the rewards once you reach the level. Now, let's go to Discord, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Just click here on this one, then you will be redirected to the Discord. Once you're there, then you can scroll down here on the left. And what you can then do is go through the different questions here. And I already answered all of those, but I prepared question 80. And what you basically do is go into a channel. In my case, it's the 80, but you can start with the 75 or whenever you're watching this. Then you go to the pinned messages like this. And then you can see the question that you should be answering in the chat here. So just go in here and copy this. Then you can either write it yourself, or you can do it like me and let the AI train the AI. And what I do is I go to ChatGPT and I have a chat open where I tell them, hey, I need a concise answer for this to train an AI agent. Give me a best possible answer. And now I pasted this and it got me this answer here. And then what you can do, you copy this, you paste it in here and maybe change it up a little because I wouldn't write those emojis, so it's some extra work. You probably don't need to do this, but then it doesn't look like an AI. Also like this. So here we go. Just some commas instead of the bullet points. And here we go. Now I'm happy with the answer. I'm gonna hit send. Jump to the newest messages. And as you can see, a lot of people are doing this. Then we go back and it doesn't take long. Whoops, just like this. There was only 10 seconds or so. You click on the bell and you can see that I gained 450 IQ points for this. If you don't get as many, so the better the answer, the more IQ points you get. But if you don't get as many, don't be afraid, because after reaching certain levels, you get IQ boosts. So here 50%, then I got another 20%, then you get another 20%. So I got a lot of IP point boosts already because I got through certain levels. So once you're there, that's easily doable. But to be honest, it's super easy to climb the ranks as well. And what's really important is to reach level 4. So to finish level 4, so actually get to the 3,100 IQ points. That's doable with 10 to 12 questions, depending on the IQ points that you get for your answers, because then you actually get the hub airdrop qualification. Level 3 is also nice because you get ecosystem partner airdrop qualification, but level 4 is the one that you really want to get because there you get the hub airdrop qualification. That's already it. That's all that you need to do right now. They also have some tasks that they do on their X account, for example, like from the video that I showed you in the beginning, Anthem of Awakening Trial. So you can create some music or an AI anthem that rouses the cult, and then you get extra IQ points. For example, the first person gets 10,000 IQ points, so that will definitely boost you hard here on your journey to get as much IQ points as possible. I wasn't too active and still managed to get 20,000 IQ points over the time. Just take a little bit of time to, answer the questions in the Discord. Maybe you let AI help you with your answer. And that's already it. I think this might become a really nice airdrop. And the beauty of it is it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to connect your Discord and X. Make sure that the permissions that you give look good to you, and then you're good to go, and you can start training the Hub AI and therefore qualify for their AI related crypto airdrop, which might be maybe something like Kaito, which would be super nice for everyone farming this. So good luck. Let me know how much IQ points you managed if you already watched the first video, and make also sure to check out my other videos that I have on my channel. I got a new video on OpenSea where you can do the different XP points, voyages. I got the abstract series going on. There's also Monad. So lots of videos for you to dig in. So see you in one of the other videos. And then thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.